Meaning of divert.
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 Divert. The word divert means to change the direction or course of something, often to a new or different purpose. When something is diverted, it is redirected or deflected from its original path or destination. For example, water can be diverted from one river to another, or a conversation can be diverted from a serious topic to a more lighthearted one. The result of a diversion is that something that was headed in one direction is now heading in another, potentially leading to a different outcome or consequence.